Oh, that's so nice.
Good girl. She looks so pretty.
It's okay, Max.
That's so nice.
Here, you come over here. Just as long as I'm not in the picture. Look at the puppy.
Look at the puppy, Zoe.
You're all right, Max.
Oh.
Get him. Come here. Let the baby see you.
You like the puppy? Say hi, Woof Woof. You say hi, Woof Woof. It's a pretty puppy. Oh, he can kiss her. It's just like you.
Good
That's nice, Zoe.
Nice. What a good girl.
Yeah.
You have
Do you want the
I like
blanket
the
or the puppy?
blanket.
I don't
I
know.
kind of like that blanket.
You have blankets too.
Blankets are so
Yeah. That's his only blankie though, honey.
He's like, oh, it's like she knows to be gentle.
good girl. It's okay. It's okay.
He's all right. He's
So
a lot tougher than he
You're
looks.
fine. You want the blanket for a while? You can have it.
Probably smells like doggy.
Huh? You want to hold on to the blanket?